So hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll be seeing the assignments on functions, and we have selected 5 questions. And the first question is write a Python program to reverse a string. Okay, so we'll be writing this program inside a function. Okay, so first let us write define reverse string, and let us take one s as an argument, and let us just take x equal to an empty string, and let us take for I in range, and for we need to reverse the string, right? So let us start with the highest length, and let us just append them to s of I, and let us just print it. So let me just explain you what is happening here. First we are writing a for loop, and first we are taking them as len of s minus 1. That is nothing but first we are calculating the string length of the string which is provided, and minus 1. Okay, why we are taking minus 1? Because the index is always 1 less than the length of the string, right? And up to minus 1 we are taking, and the step is minus 1. So for example, if you take string length as 10, there is nothing but here it will come 9 and up to minus 1. And you guys remember, right? The for loop in the right side, where the minus 1 times it will execute, okay? And minus 1, and it will go up to 0 now, okay? So from 9 to 0 it will go, and for every iteration it will be adding the last element to this one, okay? And for every iteration it will be subtracting one I value, okay? For initial the I value is 9, and next it will be 8, 7, 6, and okay, and that's it. Okay, so let us just call reverse string. Let us just put abcd 1 2 3 4. Let us just write 4 3 2 1 dcb. Okay, so what is happening here is, what is the length? 8 for I in range. 8 minus 1, what is 8? 7, right? 7 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. So what is happening here is, we are taking x equal to some string, x plus equal to s of I. There is nothing but x equal to x plus s of I. What is the I value? 7. What is the 7th index? 4. So initially it has appended 7 to the string. Next it will append 3 2 1 d c b a. Okay, so this is how you reverse the program, and this is the function to do that one. And let us go to the second one. Write a Python program to access a function inside a function. Okay, so this is nothing but a nested function. I think we already discussed this one. Function 1, access a function inside a function, right? Let us just print outside function. Let us write function 2 here. Inside function, and let us call the function 2 here. Let us just call function 1 outside function and inside function. Okay, to access a function inside a function. So what I did is, so first I wrote a function 1, that is the outside function, and I wrote another function inside the function. I just wrote a print statement, that is inside function, and I called the function inside the function 1. We are calling function 2. Okay, so that is how you access the nested functions. Just write the function name inside the outside function, and you will be calling the inner function, that is func2. Okay, so once we call this, it will go here, it will print this statement, and it will execute this function. And once we call this function 2, it will go inside the function and it will print inside function. Okay, so let's go for third one now. Write a Python function that finds the average of given numbers. Okay, we just need to find the average. Define average, and let us just take one list. And what is the average? Sum divided by total number of elements, right? So first let us find the sum, and let us just store sum equal to, or let us just take total equal to sum of L, and n equal to len of L, average value equal to total slash n, and let us print average value. Okay, now let us call average function with the list 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and now let us just run it. 3, the average is 3. Okay, so what is happening once we call this function, it is finding the sum. We are using the inbuilt sum method to find the total value, that is 15, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and n equal to len of L, that is nothing but number of elements, and we are finding the average value, that is total slash n, that is nothing but 15 by 5, that is equal to 3, and this is the program to find the average value. And next let us go for fourth one. Write a Python program to print the even numbers from a given list. Okay, so this one I guess you guys can do it, and what I'm going to give you some hints and you just need to practice it. What you're going to do is just take one list, and for every iteration just write a for loop, and for every iteration if I mod 2 is equal to 0, then print them, or else just continue the loop. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what to do, and this is just a small homework for you guys so that you guys can understand the concepts clearly. Okay, and write a Python function that accepts a string and calculates the number of uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, so this is one program, and fourth one, this is the homework for you guys. So let us see the fifth one, and we need to take the string as an input, and we need to count the number of uppercase and lowercase letters, right? So let us just write func1, and let us take lowercase equal to 0, uppercase equal to 0, and initially, and for let us just iterate the string first, len of s, and we will be using some inbuilt methods in this one, and if s of I dot is lower is equal to true, lowercase equal to lowercase plus 1, or else uppercase equal to uppercase plus 1. Finally, let us print uppercase and lowercase. Now let us just call the function abcd and abcd. Let us just write 4 comma 4, and let us write one more thing, 5, uppercase 5 and lowercase 4. So what is happening here is, so first we have initiated two variables, lowercase equal to 0 and uppercase equal to 0, and we are iterating the whole loop, and s of I dot is lower equal to 2. That is lower is an inbuilt method. That is, if the given character, that is s of I, is lowercase, then it will return true. Okay, so when it will return true, what we are doing, we are incrementing the lowercase value, or else we are incrementing the uppercase value. Okay, so this is the thing, and we need to write, finally we are printing the uppercase and we are printing the lowercase. Okay, so finally we are getting 5 comma 4 as output. Okay, so that's it from my side, and we'll be seeing the assignments of next topics also. Okay, thank you for watching this.